Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to put a password, Touch ID or Face ID on the WhatsApp app. That is, when you log into the app, you will be asked to enter your password, or unlock with Face ID or Touch ID. How do you do that? Very simple. You go into the app. Now you click Settings. Now find Privacy. Then you go down a little bit further and click on Screen Lock. And that's where we have to check the box and turn it on. We see a choice. Either we will be asked to unlock every time we log into the app, or after 1 minute, or after 15 minutes after closing, or after 1 hour. I choose each time I log in. Now I just log out of the app, log in again, and I'm asked to unlock the app with Face ID. If we specify after 1 minute, it won't ask us every time, but when 1 minute has passed since exiting the app. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you liked this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye. See you later.